You have dreamed of the perfect home for a long time. You've obsessed over the many different styles of homes from craftsman to coastal. And whether you include the mother-in-law suite or an extra-large swimming pool that you've always dreamed about, you've sketched out the details you think your dream home should have, and now it's time to find the best home builder to reach your goals. At Sunshine Custom Homes, we have a dedicated team of specialists that will give you the choices and tools to build your dream home. We will guide you through the process from dreaming to building your custom home with extreme craftsmanship and care. Now that you have your house plan, it's time to review and finalize your features. Our design team will guide you through the process as you see your passion come to life. At Sunshine Custom Homes, we utilize the latest technologies to help aid in visualizing your dream home. We bring your sketches to life with interactive 3D models, allowing you to inspect your new custom home before the ground is even broken. Once your home is nearing completion, we will continue to walk you through the final stages. Making sure all the details have been met and that your dream home has taken shape just as you have envisioned. This is the moment that you have been waiting for. Move-in time. Now you can take the keys to your new dream home. Moving into a new home built just for you is exciting. So whether you're a first-time homeowner or a seasoned one, you will be glad you chose Sunshine Custom Homes to guide you through the process of building your new custom dream home. Contact us today to explore available locations to build, learn more, and schedule an appointment at your earliest convenience.